In this video, we are going to take a deep dive into Morningfame. Is it the secret weapon you need for your YouTube channel growth? We will break down everything you need to know, from its standout feature to its biggest drawback. Stay tuned to find out if Morningfame is the right tool for you. Morningfame is a YouTube analytics and keyword research tool designed to simplify channel growth. Think of it as a friendly guide that helps you understand your channel's performance. It's not like other tools that overwhelm you with tons of data. Instead, Morningfame focuses on providing clear and actionable insights. The main goal is to help you figure out what's working and what's not, so you can make smarter decisions about your content. It's an invite-only platform, which makes it a bit exclusive, but this also helps to maintain a focused community of serious creators. The tool connects directly to your YouTube account, and it pulls your data to give you a personalized analysis. It looks at your views, watch time, and subscriber growth, and it compares your channel to others of a similar size. This gives you a realistic perspective on your progress. Ready to see how it can change your YouTube game? Let's talk about the top features that make Morningfame stand out. First up is the keyword research tool. This isn't your average keyword tool that just spit out data. Morningfame's tool is designed to be intuitive and easy to use. It helps you find video topics that you actually have a chance to rank for. The tool gives you a grade from A to F for your chosen keywords. This grade is based on the keyword's search volume and competition level. But here's the cool part. It also considers your channel's authority. So, a keyword that's an F for a small channel might be a B for a larger one. This helps you set a realistic goal and not get discouraged. It's a real game changer for new creators. Are you tired of guessing which keywords to use? Next, we have the in-depth channel analytics. Morningfame breaks down your analytics into 4 key tabs: traction, strategy, workshop, and velocity. The Traction tab shows you which of your videos are gaining momentum. It helps you identify your winning content so you can make more of it. The Strategy tab gives you a bigger picture of your channel's health. It highlights areas where you can improve, like your click-through rate or audience retention. The Workshop tab provides actionable advice on how to improve those specific areas, and the Velocity tab tracks the performance of your newly uploaded videos in the first 72 hours. This is crucial for understanding how the YouTube algorithm is responding to your content. It's like having a personal YouTube coach. Another fantastic feature is the Repeat What Works philosophy. Morningfame makes it incredibly easy to see which of your videos are performing the best. It uses a simple visual system of green check marks and red crosses. This allows you to quickly identify your successful videos at a glance. You can then analyze what made those videos work. Was it the topic, the thumbnail, the title, or a combination of things? By understanding your success, you can replicate them in your future videos. This takes the guesswork out of content creation, and it helps you build a content strategy that is based on actual data from your own channel. Imagine knowing exactly what your audience wants to see. Finally, let's talk about the guided video optimization process. When you're planning a new video, Morningfame walks you through the optimization steps. It starts with helping you choose the right keyword. Then, it guides you in crafting a compelling title, description, and tags. The tool provides real-time feedback on the relevance and strength of your metadata. It even helps you to see how your potential video might rank against the current top-ranking videos for your target keyword. This step-by-step guidance is perfect for beginners who might find SEO intimidating. It's like having a checklist to make sure you've done everything you can to set your video up for success. Ready to optimize your video like a pro? Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the main disadvantage of Morningfame. The biggest drawback is its invite-only system. You can't just go to their website and sign up. You need to get an invitation link from an existing member. This can be a frustrating hurdle for many new creators who are eager to get started. While this exclusivity helps to build a dedicated user base, it also limits accessibility. Another point to consider is that it might not have all the bells and whistles of more established tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ. For example, it lacks features like A/B thumbnail testing and bulk metadata editing. For power users who want every possible feature, this might be a deal breaker. So, how much does Morningfame cost? The pricing is actually quite reasonable, especially for what it offers. They have a basic plan and a plus plan. The basic plan gives you access to the rich channel analytics. This is perfect if you mainly want to understand your channel's performance. The plus plan includes unlimited access to the keyword research tool. This is the plan for you if you want to seriously focus on your YouTube SEO. The prices are very competitive compared to other tools on the market. And the best part, you can get your first month for free to try it out. This gives you a chance to see if it's the right fit for your channel without any risk. This tool is a fantastic choice for beginner and intermediate YouTube creators. If you're just starting out and feel overwhelmed by YouTube analytics, Morningfame is for you. It simplifies the data and gives you clear, actionable steps to take. It's also great for creators who want to develop a solid content strategy. The focus in finding the right keywords for your channel size is incredibly valuable. If you're a data-driven creator who loves to see what's working and why, you will love this tool. However, if you're an advanced user who needs a wide array of features and in-depth data, you might find it a bit limiting. But for the majority of creators who are looking for a straightforward path to growth, Morningfame is an excellent option. So, what's the final verdict on Morningfame? It's a powerful and user-friendly tool that can definitely help you grow your YouTube channel. Its simplified approach to analytics and keyword research is its biggest strength. If you're serious about growing on YouTube, I highly recommend giving it a try. If you're interested in checking out Morningfame, check out the link in the description below. Using our affiliate link won't cost you anything extra, but it will help support this channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this.